feeling deep, and it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest doubt. You're my savior when I fall. And you may not think I care for you, when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Is your love? How deep is your love? I really need to learn. 'Cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Happy birthday, Bayaw, and more birthday to come. And maybe someday we can come and visit you again, okay? Happy birthday again. Thank you,
Happy
bye.
birthday, Uncle Greg. I want to wish you a happy, happy birthday, and may you have many, many more to come. We miss you, we love you, and hope that your celebration will be the best one you've had. And may God continue to bless you with good health, happiness, and success, and lots of prosperity. Hope to see you soon. Hope to visit. Hope you visit soon, and take care. We love you.
Happy birthday, Bayaw. There you go, little flower.
Yeah. Say hi, Uncle Greg. Hi, Uncle Greg. Hi, Uncle Greg. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, Uncle Greg. Flying kiss. She's sleepy now.
Hi, Greg. Happy birthday. We love you. We miss you. Someday we'll see each other again, okay? Okay, we'll go on vacation there. Anyway, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. And you have many more years to come. Love you.
Hi Greg, Kwang Do ini. Kilala mo pa ako.
Maganda.
Sana may balik ka King United States para kaya beda ka naman. Uling ng mintagay Ken, tama siya yung miyabe. Kaya looking forward for you coming back. Kaya kay pati birthday mo aklingwan ko na May 25 ka no. Kaya samasan mo din stay healthy and watch out your food, take a walk for your exercise. Kaya ita mo yung nga sabi ko kaya God bless and long life. Okay? Okay, bye-bye. See you later. See you soon. Okay.